Y'all already know it's finna go down. I'm finna be seeing if this is gonna let me handcuff her. Y'all already know what the vibes is. I'm on demon time, so y'all already know it's finna go down, man.
Come on, baby, for real. I ain't never had nothing like this. I'm trying to see what this be like.
It's about to go down.
I got demon time. I'm finna go crazy.
Come on.
I'm finna take the clothes off.
Hurry.
I like the way you talk, I like the way you walk. So don't tell me to go, don't tell me no. Just go with the flow. Outside when it's cold, I'll be your soldier. Anything you.
What's up, TD gang? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trevon. You know I'm back with another banger video. And if you are new to the channel, you already know what you gotta do. Like, comment, smash subscribe, man. Turn your post notification bells to on so you be notified when we post another banger video. As y'all seen by that beautiful thumbnail and the title, y'all already know it's finna go down. I'm finna be seeing if this is gonna let me handcuff her. Y'all already know what the vibes is. I'm on demon time.
Yeah.
So y'all already know it's finna go down, man. I'm finna get straight into this. I ain't trying to do too much talking, you feel me? I'm finna see if she gonna let me arch over, put the handcuffs on that gang. I'm finna go stupid. I'm finna get her react. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like the video. And if you haven't already, go watch our last video. Go show love, major love to that video, you feel me? Go run it up, go tap in. Go follow all our social medias, they're gonna pop up, boom. And stay tuned, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, keep running us up. Keep showing major love and support. We're finna get right into the video, stay tuned. Gang, let's do it. Move the dough, move it, you only move the dough. Move the dough.
What you stressing for? Huh? What you stressing? Stressing. What you stretching for?
I'm gonna get ready. This is the worst combination, bro. Like,
I'm not gonna eat both of them together. I'm gonna eat that tomorrow.
the best combination is what I got. Hot Cheetos and Slim Jim, bro. This shit go crazy.
I'm gonna eat hot Cheetos.
Look at that picked up. So.
What you got them for?
Huh?
What you got them for?
What you mean what I got them for? You know what I got them for? You never tried. You lose. Can I use them?
These real?
They ain't the real one, but they the feel, you feel me? The play one. But they still got the key in there.
Oh, they metal.
Exactly. Let me see. Let me see one before you open them. You saying you gonna let me use one?
Yeah, come
Bro, I'm not playing, bro.
on. It'll be fine. They really finna pin me down.
Yeah.
Bro, lose the key, man.
Oh my god, these things.
2 keys. This is what 2.
Scared. I'm not gonna move.
Girl. That's what you scared for, bro. You.
Oh, that's how you take me off. Look.
Come on, bro. Let's use them. You trying to use them? Why you put them on right now, bro?
Take it off like this.
Oh, for real? Alright, bet. Let me see them.
Man, you really finna.
I'm saying, like. Okay.
Now.
Okay. I'm putting this on up, God. Let go.
Ooh, yeah, come on.
No, I'm demon son.
Man, what made you want to get these?
When you never try, I seen them in the store, you never try them. I was like, ooh. Cause you know them little movies and shit on TikTok. You talking about them the ones that be like on Snap and Facebook stuff, movies. What you doing? Bad tricking, bro.
Horny, babe. You really gonna risk me, sir?
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Is you on demon time or what?
Come on. Arrest me. Show me who in charge.
Alright, bitch.
Come on.
Oh, it's broken.
Let me see. No.
What's that?
For real? We really finna be on that tight time, man.
Yeah.
You lying for real?
I'm not playing, bro.
Man, you a freak.
The biggest, you did.
And I. Oh.
Mm. me see how they look on you.
On me? You finna put no handcuffs on me, bro.
Let me see how they look.
Bro, you ain't ready, bro.
Ooh!
You ready?
I can really tie you up on this bed. Don't play with me.
Come on. Come on, bro.
Ever.
Stop playing.
Let me see how they look on your wrist, babe, please. Come on.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Let's be attached.
Man, come on, bro. No, bro.
Let's be attached.
Come on, man. I'm not ready now.
Hey. Where's that key at? Well, we can take it off like this, can't we?
Exactly. Come on.
Yeah, we really don't need a key here.
We don't need no key.
Hey, what position you gonna put me in? You know, we can do it. We can really do anything.
Trying to get back shot. Back shot.
I don't know if I can handle it.
See if you can handle it.
I'm talking about with them on.
See if you can handle it, bro. Bro, it's just handcuffs, bro. It's just the same thing as I'm holding your hands like this. It's the same thing. You just got on handcuffs. Oh! That. Boy, your ass tripping.
Come on, baby, for real. I ain't never had nothing like this. I'm trying to see what that be like.
And
Who your phone? Oh, you get like facing the TV.
Babe, don't be going hard and stuff. You know I like a real connection.
yeah.
Set them on.
I'm for real, babe.
Come on, bro. What you scared for? Let me see how they turn your arm first. What you talk?
It's fine right there.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I'm fixing them.
Babe, I'm gonna take my clothes off.
I'm gonna take them off.
For real.
Take them off for you.
Oh my God. Oh, and the lights ready. It's scary. But don't leave me in these handcuffs, bro. For real. Don't play.
Come on,
These hoes
bro.
already tight as fuck. Cutting off my goddamn circulation and shit.
That ain't tight.
Not this one.
Go right there.
Leave him up.
That's
Ow!
good enough right there, bro.
These hoes hurt.
You know how to artist, bro?
Ooh.
Show me your art.
Hold on.
Show me your art.
This combobulated. Ow, this shit pinching me, bro.
Alright, let me do some this. Hold on, bro. Alright, what about right there? I got the anytime.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go crazy.
Come on. Why you playing?
I'm gonna go stupid. No, bro, you gotta come up.
Ow.
I don't know this cover. I'm finna go
Come
stupid.
on, babe.
I'm coming, bro.
Talking.
Sit on me. You need to turn. Sit still like this. Come on. I'm gonna take your clothes off.
It's about to go down.
Hurry. Babe.
Huh? Come up, bro. You're not an artist.
I am arching.
Oh, alright. Hold on, baby.
Come on. My wrist hurt.
I'm finna go stupid.
My wrist is hurt. For real. Don't be
Alright.
playing, bro.
I'm trying to put his hands on.
And don't be doing that. Standing too long shit.
What you mean?
Go in and come back out. Sure.
What you talking about? Go ahead and come back
Don't
out.
be standing there trying to.
You ain't even up, bro.
Cuz, how the fuck I'm gonna get up?
I'm finna drill some, kill some.
Stop
man.
playing, come on.
Move your hand.
I cannot do shit with these fucking hands. You the one that gotta do all the work, bro. How the fuck I'm supposed to. Ow! I can't move these.
Bro, get
hoes.
right, bro. Oh, that tripping.
Come on, you playing around and shit, bro.
Alright, I'm for real.
Ow! Ow!
But this how you gonna be, bro. I ain't.
These handcuffs hurt, bro. You put them on, see how they feel.
I'm not finna put nothing on.
Bro, these hurt.
And let you. No.
Let's take these off.
No, I'm not finna take no, bro. Why you
What
playing,
you
bro? We
mean?
never did this before.
Well, come on, then you playing.
You playing, bro?
You need to pull me up. How am I supposed to move, nigga? I ain't got no arms. What the fuck? Get the fucking arm. You the one gotta pull me up. I can't. Ooh,
Yeah,
yes.
just like that. Just like that.
Oh.
Don't move.
You hurt my wrist.
That's real.
Yes, these hoes hurt.
You want me to hold it? I'm gonna hold the chain.
No, it hurt. Oh,
I'm gonna hold the chain, bro. I do.
stop.
You ready? Bro, is you ready for real?
Yes,
Stop
come
playing.
on.
Nah.
Okay, come on, bro. You could have been me this shit 5 minutes ago.
Bro, I'm just playing, bro.
You lying.
I swear.
Bro, get these cuffs off of me.
I'm not gonna do nothing, bro.
Get these cuffs off of
I'm
me.
gonna go to sleep, fam.
Nigga. Bro.
Bro, just lay there, bro. It's
No.
okay, bro. I'm not finna
No.
do with you, dog. It's over with. What is you doing? Stop moving, bro.
Help me.
Oh, fam.
Get these cuffs off me. I'm
Go
not
to
playing
sleep,
with you, bro. Get these.
Go to sleep, bro. Go
Get
to
these
sleep,
clothes.
bro. Go to sleep, bro. It's over with.
Get these cuffs off of me.
No, bro. But stop, bro. You ain't got no clothes on, dude.
Get these cuffs off of me. I'm not playing
Your
with you.
pants are pulled down, bro. Chill out.
Pull them up and get these cuffs out of me. Trayvon, you play too much, bro. Every time we finna do something, you always gotta play.
Move your hands.
Get these cuffs off of me.
Move your hand. There you go. Get up,
Get
move
these
around.
cuffs off of me.
Get up, move around, clown.
I can't get. The fuck?
What time is it? I'm trying to.
Get these cuffs on me. I'm not playing with you.
No, bro. Be up.
Get these cuffs on me.
No.
Get.
Stop
Look, I
kicking
got my
around.
hands on. Get your ass on me. Get these motherfucking cuffs on. Play so much all day, every day.
But no, bro.
If I could.
What are you trying to kick me for? Lay down, bro. What are you doing?
Why do you still have these cuffs on me when
I don't know where the key is.
What do you mean you don't know where the key is?
Where's the key?
Man, bro, you
Don't break them, bro. Don't break them,
these
bro.
hoes off me. These cut my fucking circulation off.
Doesn't matter, bro. I'm trying to find the key, bro. I don't know where the key is.
These hoes off me, bro. Trayvon, stop.
Where's the key?
Bro, stop playing with me, bro.
Where's the
Stop
key?
playing with me.
Find the key.
Stop playing with me. You had it.
I don't know where it's at. I put it over here somewhere,
Hey,
bro.
you play.
You see your legs.
Stop. For real, Trayvon. Ow.
Bro, I don't know where the key at, fam.
These
Bro.
hoes. Get these
Where's the
hoes.
key, bro?
Get these hoes.
Fam, where's the key?
Bro, get these hoes off of me, fam.
Where's the key?
Get these hoes off of me, bro. I'm not playing
Where's the
with you.
key at? Find the key.
You had it.
Bro,
Dang, you play too much.
nobody playing,
Man,
bro.
You got 5 seconds, bro. I'm finna go ballistic in this bitch, bro. Get these handcuffs off me. They're hurting me.
I'm sorry, here, get up. I'm finna turn around.
Get them off, bro. You click that thing. I can't grab it.
Okay, scoot up.
Get them off.
Get over. See your legs.
No. No. Get them off. No. Get them off.
Bro, I don't know where the key at, bro.
Bro. Get these off.
No, but I don't know the key at. Find the fucking key.
Bro, you
You trying to hurt me? You screaming at me, but you ain't gonna find the key, though.
They're hurting me.
Find the key, bro. And
They're
then I can get
hurting
off
me.
you, bro. Straight up, bro. Find the key, bro.
Why did you lose the key that
Why
fast?
are you kicking me, bro? You had the key too. I said don't lose the key. Boom, the key
You
lost.
had it, Trayvon. I was holding the handcuffs.
Bro, the key lost, bro. You thought I was...
Bro, fuck no. No, this is not real. Get these off of me. Get these hoes off.
Bro, I
of
lost
me.
the key, fam. I cannot find it.
Get these hoes
Bro,
off.
get
me. I'm not
back,
playing with
bro.
you. If I could, bro, I swear to God, bro. Stop playing with me.
Bro, I lost
get
the
these
key.
off of me.
Bro, okay, bro, chill out, bro.
You play all day. This is not nothing to play about. Get these off me.
Bro,
I can't feel my circulation
y'all,
in my blood.
I'm finna go try to find the key. I think I lost, like,
What do you mean you
Richard,
finna go try to find it? You're going to find it.
I lost the key, and she's not, I guess she's gonna be stuck, because it's not letting you, turn around. Turn around right quick, bro.
Bro, you play some, these hurt.
Turn around. I can't, it's not letting me.
They
let me
hurt.
click 'em.
Get them off.
Okay, bro. Chill.
I'm not chilling. You have
Listen,
me
y'all
handcuffed.
like
How
her-
can I chill? I'm handcuffed.
If y'all like her reaction, make sure you like, comment, Smash subscribe button. Turn post notification bells to on so you be notified when we post another
Trevon,
video.
I'm itching.
With that being said, go follow all social media platforms. I can't even talk, bro, cause she keep interrupting, bro. But anyway, with that being said, we out. TD.
I can't put up game. What's wrong with you?
Listen, y'all, stay tuned, man.
I like the way you talk, I like the way you. So don't tell me to go.